Hello and welcome. I'm Corey, the art archaeologist. So today I'm working on this 10 by 20 inch canvas. Now this is an old one that I had set up a long time ago. I had textured it and painted it and didn't like it, so I painted over it. Still didn't like it, and then I abandoned it. Well, recently I've been for those of you who watch me know that I've been addicted to cutting out magazine clippings and ripping out book pages and all of those fun things. And so I've been checking out some videos here on YouTube about incorporating some of these images into my artwork. And so I was really intrigued by that, and I've seen this a long time ago. I saw this kind of work, so this is nothing new. I'm surely not trailblazing this by any means, but I'd like to go ahead and take these because I've got an exhibit coming up in August, as I've said, and I'm trying to get everything ready early. So this texture I have here is Venetian plaster mixed with sand, and I love Venetian plaster because it's self-sealing and you don't have to primer it, and you can put it on a bendable flexible canvas. This is a canvas board here, 10 by 20 inch, and like I said, but you can put Venetian plaster on anything that moves and bends and it will not crack off. It is amazing stuff. Plus you don't have to primer it. Now the colors I'm going to use for this today are, I've got this Deco Art Cobblestone, Deco Art Zinc, and then I thought I'd add a little bit of this Folk Art Raw Umber. I'm really kind of going for more of a monochromatic painting here, but I want to, this is so cold, this zinc, so I'm thinking I can incorporate the raw umber and kind of warm it up just the tiniest bit. And of course, what's beautiful about this kind of work is if you don't like it, it's very easy. You just paint over it, no problem. So what I've been doing lately, this is a Prima stencil that I've had for a very long time, and I have been cutting up my own stencils. So I thought I would use a little bit of this. I like the graphicness of it. And then this one, I just was drawing these weird shapes, and this is what I came up with. I've been doing a lot of these lately, but let's go ahead and get into this now. Here we go. right, so here's this piece all done, and I really like how it came out. I love this little scrap piece of jelly print to kind of enhance the wording on here. And then the last thing I did was I just went around the edges with this watering can color Ranger archival ink and got all the edges inked up. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial of this mixed media canvas. And if you haven't subscribed yet, of course I invite you to. Got a lot of fun stuff, a lot of all different kinds of stuff coming up in the near future on this channel. So go ahead and click that subscribe and hit that bell notification and hit the like too for me if you wouldn't mind. And I'll see you real soon. Have a great day.